Good morning. It is December 21st. I'm still at home, but I have to head over to Nate's to feed the baby right now, and I think I'm also going to do another look over there. I also have to go and teach the girls at the high school for like an hour-ish. I'm not even sure. That's just like up in the air. I don't know when I'm going to go because they have like a long rehearsal today, but they're doing like also like a Christmas party, so I'm wearing this again because the only Christmas sweater I have. But yeah, I just had breakfast and I had a bagel with cream cheese, and let me tell you guys something. I found this sun-dried tomato spread at Ralph's. Oh my gosh, I ate it on a bagel with cream cheese and literally it's the most delicious thing I've ever had on a bagel. Aside from smoked salmon, but you get the point. But yeah, if you guys like sun-dried tomatoes, I really recommend that. But I think I'm gonna head over to Nate's right now and do a little work, and I'll be back later. So now I'm at Nate's house and I still have yet to feed the baby, and he's constantly like running through my legs and like bunting my face because he knows that I feed him now, and he's trying to kiss up to me, but I'm trying to milk it as long as I can. But whenever he gets super hungry, he just likes to meow at me, and now he's leaving. Who's a good kitty? Who's a good kitty? Who's a good kitty? Why do you hate me? Look completed. It'll be up on the gram. I don't know when, but go check it out. I got this package right now from Le Beau to Soie, and we're gonna try and open it right now. It's like taped so securely. I already know I'm gonna have a hard time, but let's try and open this baby up. Sent me a little brush kit. It says, "Hi Karen, we've absolutely loved watching your progression on Insta and seeing you advance so much in honing your artistic skill." Oh my gosh, that's so sweet. "So we felt it's time you advanced your brushes as well. Please let me know once you've received your PR, and when used in any of your stunning looks, please tag and hashtag us at Le Beau to Soie." Thank you, Karen. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much to Candace at Le Beau to Soie. They've always been so supportive of me. They sent me a brush set probably like 6, 7, 8 months ago in April, I want to say. But I use their brushes like non-stop, and I've mentioned them a bunch in my videos, and I always link them in the description bar down below. I will also link their site in this description box as well if you guys want to check them out. I absolutely love their brushes. Synthetic hair, cruelty-free. I think they're vegan, but I'm not completely sure, but they're based in Los Angeles. Let's take a look at some of these brushes that they sent me. So this is what the little package looks like. Oh yes, they are cruelty-free. It says right there. So cute. Oh, and right here. And right here. Wow. Okay, so it has like a little breakdown of what's in here. Angled kabuki, flat top kabuki, rounded kabuki, fan, shading, concealer, angle shading, pencil brush, angle liner, and brow, and then a spoolie, which is nice because I've actually been thinking about getting a new spoolie because mine is tattered and beaten to death. And their brushes always come in these like really nice cases. I believe this one's made from like recycled material, which is why it's like paper-y and like a little crinkly. I'm kind of feeling this, but it has like little snaps. Oh my. Oh my. These look so stunning. I love rose gold so much. These are what they look like. Aren't they so stunning? I absolutely have been meaning to buy like a flat top kabuki brush for like my foundation because I don't know, I've seen other people use it and it just looks like their foundation is just put on so effortlessly. So huge thank you to Le Beau to Soie for this amazing package. I'm so excited to try these out. So cute. I will link them down below. Check them out. They're such an amazing company. I absolutely love their brushes, and this is in no way sponsored or anything. These are just my personal opinions, but yeah, I will definitely link them down below for you guys to check out. We're making cookies using this huge bag. This next to my hand, this huge bag of chocolate chips. Nestlé Tolaus, if you guys know that reference. The dough. Here are some finished ones. Don't ask me why they're on that seat. Here are some freshly baked ones. Oh yeah. Cookies are done. We're making cheesecake now. Making a cheesecake now. I've made this cheesecake for years and everybody loves it. It's like a two-tone one, so this first layer is cream cheese and the second layer is sour cream, and I know that sounds disgusting, but it's actually really good when they're paired together. So I'm just waiting for this dude to cool down before I put this layer on top, and then I'm gonna bake it one more time. But yeah, I love baking. The rest of the cookies, I'm watching The Office. It's a wild night. So I think this concludes today's vlog. Tomorrow is our family party and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna vlog some of that, but it's gonna be a super busy day, so I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get, but I will give you guys something, so don't worry. But that's all I have for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.